Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of the video, I'll be showing you how to get the invisible filter on Snapchat. So this is pretty much what it's supposed to look like. So first things first is that you want to ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. So I'm going to simply go to the App Store right now and ensure that I have the latest version of Snapchat. Once that is complete, I'm going to now launch Snapchat and search for invisible filter. Once you find it, you're going to click on the filter to use. You can also add it to your favorites, and you can record your snaps, which you will find in your camera roll. So if you guys found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.